Ladies and gentlemen, the Sarang team is presenting to you the Diamond Formation. Demonstrating the agility of the aircraft, Sarang 4 pulls up for a beautiful stall turn for all of you.